In Nairobi, how much you spend on household goods is determined or dependent on where you shop. Alright, so let's start on the retail side. Now, QuickMart is celebrating 16 years of freshness. They have a massive sale when it comes to bedding products. If you think of changing your whole bedroom this October, DK Heavy Duvet 4x6 got you. It was 2,560, now a whooping 2,075. You're saving 485 Kenya shillings. Where can you get such a deal? And a 5x6 is going for 2,315 and was 2,560. So you are saving 485 Kenya shillings. We also have a 6x6 which was going for 3,000 Kenya shillings and now 2,515. You get to save 485 Kenya shillings, and it is valid until 15th October 2022. So get your duvet while stocks last. Of course, we have mattress, a sleep tight bright colored mattress, which is rather valid until 31st October 2022. And guess what? It was going for 21,995 and now it is going for 19,995. You get to save a whopping 2,000 Kenya shillings. Only on Edge, we have all these products just for you. Now, Silent Night orthopedic mattress for everybody who has back problems. This is a mattress for you. It is a 5x6 and it was going for 31,995. Now at 28,995, you get to save 3,000 Kenya shillings. Where else can you get such a deal? That is a steal. I would urge you to go and buy your orthopedic mattress now while stocks last. Of course, they've told you that the date is 31st October till stocks run out. Now, enough of the home living stuff. Now let's look at the basic necessities in your kitchen, and this is for all the ladies, the women, and even men who actually like to cook. Now, Naivas has a big sale. A little of 5 fresh fry oil is going for 1,268, and of course you've seen that oil has become a gold this period. Now it is 1,099. You get to save 169 shillings, and who wouldn't want to take that home? 169 shillings on oil. I think this is a steal, and of course you need to go to Naivas while stocks last, because you know when Naivas reduces prices on oil, people are going to get the shelves empty. Now, Avena oil is a 3 liter. The 3 liter Avena oil was 1,190, and guess what? You get a 331 shillings rather discount, and now it is going for 859 shillings. It has been a year since we have seen such reduced prices on oil. And let's just move on to bar soap, because everybody needs to be clean. Now, Juma bar soap was 230 shillings, and now it is at 199 Kenya shillings. You get to save 31 shillings on all your bar soaps. Now, Orchid Valley is at 317 shillings, and now 290 shillings. You get to save yourself 98 Kenya shillings. Now let's move on to washing soap. Ariel washing soap, it was 429, and now at 359 Kenya shillings, you get to save yourself 70 shillings. I'm telling you, this is where the deals are. Make sure you go and get yourself a discount, because everybody needs a discount, and why not? Weetabix 900 grams was 689 shillings, now going for 579 shillings, 106. Where else can you get it? Only on Naivas. You get 6 shillings discount on Weetabix 900 gram. Now we have Nestle hot chocolate rather, that was going for 1,300, now at 650 Kenya shillings. You get to save 650 shillings. Isn't that a whooping save? you had better go to Naivas and get yourself some Nescafe, if nothing at all. Now we are at our last product, which is Rexona Anti-Perspirant roll-on for women, which is 50 ml, which was going for 319 Kenya shillings. At Naivas, you get a 31% save, and now you can buy it at 350 Kenya shillings. Of course, now we're going to Carrefour Market, supermarket rather. They have some steel discounts. Dettol Pine Multi-Action Cleaner 900 ml was going for 690 shillings. Now it is going for 540 shillings. You get to save 150 Kenya shillings. Who wouldn't want to save 150 Kenya shillings on Action Cleaner? Now, Ushindi Yellow Bar Soap 175 grams was going for 117, and of course it has been up for 1 year now. Now going for 99 Kenya shillings. You get to save yourself 18 Kenya shillings. Now, Tima Triangle Cheese, which is 120 grams. It's a 120 grams item, which was going for 260 Kenya shillings, now going for 234 Kenya shillings, and you get to save 26 Kenya shillings. Now, the all-purpose glue, Uhu all-purpose glue, 125 shillings, was 855 Kenya shillings, and now at 640, you get to save 250 Kenyan shillings. Now we move on to Avena vegetable oil at Carrefour. Now it is going for 1,190 Kenya shillings. It is now at 859 Kenya shillings. The 3 liter is at 859. You get to save 331 Kenya shillings. Now the Avena vegetable oil 5 liters for everybody who wants a bigger size is going for 1,379, which was 1,870. So you can do the math. 471 Kenya shillings you will be saving on Avena vegetable oil, which is the 5 liter. Now we're moving on to the Dark and Lovely Aloe Vera Lotion Lovely Glycerin Cocoa Butter, which was 365, now going for 295. Wow, amazing. Still, that is 70 shillings you're going to be saving on that particular product. Now, grocery shopping, loose tomatoes 600 grams, which was 59 Kenya shillings, now going for 34.4. 34.4. Now you're going to save yourself 25 Kenya shillings. All right, so moving on, avocado fuerte 1 kg was at 88 Kenya shillings, now at 64 Kenya shillings. You can save yourself 24 Kenya shillings. And of course, the maize meal flour that you cannot do without in your house is the Soko maize meal flour. The 2 kg is going for 155, was going for 184, and you know that we've been having problems with maize flour in Kenya. So you get yourself to save yourself 29%, and of course that is a 15% off discount. Make sure that you go to Carrefour and get yourself the 2 kg Soko maize meal flour, which is going for 155. Again, let me mention that it was at 184, so it has reduced in price, 29 shillings to be exact, and it is on a 50% off discount. Now the Rasin 100 sunflower oil is the 3 liter sunflower oil, which was 1,721. Now it is going for 1,630. You're going to save yourself 91 shillings rather, and it is on 5% discount. Make sure that you go and get yourself the Rasin sunflower oil. For all you healthy freaks, this is the oil just for you. And let's move on to Pushy Roll Extra Unwrapped, and this is the last product from the Carrefour segment, which was 345 Kenya shillings, now at 311 shillings. You can save 34 shillings, and it is on 9% off discount. Now let us move on to Jumia, where you can get the best of the best in skincare products and any products that you might want. Now we're starting off with skincare products because that's where most ladies usually gather around. Of course, we have the Garnier Even and Matte Vitamin C Booster Serum 30 ml, which is going for 1,600 shillings. In my mind, let me tell you, this is a steal because it is now going for 1,280 only on Jumia. They have given you a 20% discount. So you're going to supermarket or you go to beauty supply chains, this product is way expensive. I'm telling you, it is 1,280 shillings. You get to save 320 shillings, and it is on 20% off discount. Now let's move on to the next product, which is the Pure Active 3-in-1 Charcoal Anti-Blackhead Mask, which is a favorite in every woman's closet, or rather in every woman's makeup bag. It is 796. Make sure that you get this product. It was going for 995. Now you get to save 199 shillings only on Jumia. Only on Jumia, 199 shillings. Make sure that you go and get this for yourself. Now, Garnier Even Matte Dark Spot Corrector, which was 995, now at 796, you get to save as well 199. And get this, you get free delivery, free shipping. No, not free shipping, free delivery. Of course, now we have the next product, which is the last on my list for today. Is the 10-pack makeup brushes set for foundation, powder, and blush black. This was going for 800 shillings, and now it's going for, guess, 306 Kenya shillings. You get to save 440 Kenya shillings. Where else would you get that kind of discount? Save 440 Kenya shillings, and it is on a 55% discount. And of course, you get free delivery. A deal show is not a deal show if I'm not telling you about phones and gadgets. Now let's move on to the first one of the day, which is a Redmi A1 Plus with a 3GB RAM, 32-inch storage. Main camera is 8 megapixel and a 3 megapixel, and a front camera which is 5 megapixel. Now it comes in 3 colors: light green, light blue, and black. So you spoil for choice at 10,999 from 12,999. You do the math and see how much you're going to be. What discount you're gonna have. You're gonna have like basically 2,000 shillings worth of a discount. That is a steal. So another steal is the Samsung Galaxy Bud 2 Pro, and of course it's going for 20,300. Was going for 20,500, and now this is the steal. You can save 5,200 Kenya shillings on the phone if you purchase it. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. And guess what? It has an 8GB RAM, and main camera is a 12MP plus 12.0 MP. The front camera has a 12 megapixel clarity, and it is a dual SIM. Now the colors range from black to green lavender. Green lavender! Ever heard of that? Cream, white, pink, and gray. Now guess what? Here is the steal. It was going for 140,000 Kenya shillings, but now it is going for 118,000 Kenya shillings. You get to save 22,000 Kenya shillings. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that just amazing? Let's move on to the next category. For all sports lovers, I have also something for you. Nairobi Sports House has a huge discount. They're having a clearance sale, and of course they have the Super K gloves supporter, which was 700 shillings, now going for 560 Kenya shillings. You get to save 20% on that specific item. And now they have the body sculpture stopwatch, which was 1,750, now going for 700 shillings, and you get a 60% discount. That is a 60% discount. Make sure you go and get that for you, for all your sport lovers. All right, so the Jorex stopwatch digital timer, which was 5,800 shillings, is now going for 1,500 Kenya shillings, and the discount is very obvious: 74.14, the biggest discount of the day. Make sure that you go and get this specific item. Now let's move on to the next one, which is a tug of war rope sisal. 24,800 Kenya shillings for a rope sisal. now going for 17,860. You get a 27.98 discount if you go and purchase. Now the super backpack was 3,500, 3,500 that is. Now 1,000 Kenya shillings, and the discount is 71.43. Now, the Spalding Basketball NBA Team Clippers number 7, which you need to get if you are a basketball fan because you already know what I'm talking about, is 800 shillings from a 2,350 Kenya shillings original price. The discount is 65.6. Check out these deals. Have you checked out all the deals and discounts on the Edge app? It's actually one of the best apps when it comes to looking for deals and discounts. Listen to this: traveling to Lamu, Diani, Malindi, and Mombasa, even Zanzibar, book on Safari Link. Why? You get a 5% discount on all your beach destinations. Now, just imagine this weather has been so unpredictable. You just going to Mombasa, having a sit down next to the beach, enjoying the sun in all its glory. Make sure you go to the Edge app and book on Safari Link today. This weather has been so unpredictable. Now imagine seated at the comfort of your own home with this fluffy fleece blanket from Vera Collections. It is on 30% off only at Vera Collections. Moreover, for babies, they have not been left out either, as Classy Moped has an offer of up to 50% off. They grow so fast, and a change of clothes and wardrobe comes in very, very handy. Black November is coming soon, and of course, this is the month of great bargains because it is Black Friday and, of course, Black November. And I cannot wait to share with you the steals and discoveries that I'm going to be getting because I am the bargain hunter, and of course, I'm going to be giving you the best in deals. So make sure that you look out for that. You know, I'm the biggest bargain hunter when it comes to looking out for discounts. So make sure that you look out for that. Of course, this is Bargain Hunter and it is powered by Edge. My name is Natasha Goodman.